Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I created this manicure using dip powders. So here are the powders that I will be using today, and these are from the brand Cuccio Pro. And here are the close-up look of the powders. So the first one is in the shade Aquamarine, and this is a minty green shade. Next is in the shade Grape Crush Deep Purple, and this is a light water purple shade. Next is in the shade Bling Aquamarine, and this is a very sparkly blue shade. And for the liquids, I will be using the Cuccio Pro base. I also have their layering gel, but I couldn't open the bottle, so I'm just gonna use this. And then I'm also gonna use their activator, and for my top coat, I will be using my Blue Sky No Wipe top coat. So as always, to start off, I will be applying my Model 1's dehydrator on all of my nails to remove the natural oil on my nails. Then next, I move on to my base and I apply a thin layer of this on my nail, and then immediately dip my nail into the powder and then top off the excess. So I will be using the Grape Crush Deep Purple shade on my pointy and pinky nail, and I will be applying 3 coats of this shade. So the next, I move on to the shade Aquamarine, and I will be applying this on my ring and thumb. Again, I will be applying 3 coats of this shade. And for my middle nail, I will be applying 3 coats of this Bling Aquamarine. So the next, I move on to the clear powder. This step is optional, but I highly recommend you clear and encapsulate your nails. This will protect your colors and your glitters from piling and buffing. So once I'm finished with clear, I brush up all the excess powder, and then I move on to the activator. I apply a generous amount of the activator on all of my nails. This will harden up the powder and make it ready for filing. So after a few minutes, I file and buff off camera, and then I brush up all the dust and clean my nails with alcohol spray. Next, I move on to my Blue Sky No Wipe top coat, and I apply 2 coats of this on my nails and cure it for 30 seconds. This step is optional. You can always use your dip powder top coat if you want to. Once my nails are cured, I apply cuticle oil and we are done. That's it guys for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next one.